Hi, I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out. Welcome back to our channel. We're all about tasty food made easy. Today we're going to make a homemade doner kebab red sauce. This sauce is the perfect condiment in a lot of doner kebab recipes. So let's get to it. Pour in a quarter cup olive oil into a warm skillet. Then add half a cup of chopped red onion. Stir a bit while sauteing the onions. Then add 3 minced garlic cloves and 4 chopped chili peppers. Stir while you're sauteing for a minute or two. Then pour all the ingredients into a food processor and run it to your desired consistency. Then add 2 tablespoons tomato paste and 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar. If you like it spicy, add a quarter teaspoon chili pepper. Then add in 14 ounces of chopped tomatoes. We used canned tomatoes for this. It's about 1.5 cups. And then you run the food processor again until you have a puree. Then place all the ingredients back in the skillet and saute for about 10 minutes until the liquids have evaporated. Stir in between. If you don't like your sauce chunky, you can put it back in the food processor, then transfer to an airtight container and let it chill until serving. And there you have it, a homemade doner kebab red sauce. We use this sauce in our doner kebab pita pizza, our doner kebab quesadilla, and our spicy shakshuka recipe. Pair this with our regular doner kebab sauce. You can find all these recipes on our website, allspicedout.com. I'll see you in the next video. I'm Bjorn, and thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.